Hello students, welcome back to all in the online English class. Dear student, I am standing here with new topic and this is present continuous tense. Right? In this session we would like to know that what is the concept of continuous, what is the sense of continuous, what is the word structure, word order as well as sentence structure of present continuous tense. Right? So without making delay, let's start the class. And all of you must have copy and pen. Because of this you can note down all the important as well as significant points regarding today's session. So let's start. Here I have written present continuous tense, right? As you know that what is the sense of, what is the meaning of, what is the concept of present? It means happening or existing now. Right? And now what is the sense of, what is the meaning of, what is the concept of continuous? It is our responsibility as well as accountability to know what is this. So let's try to know. It means happening or existing without stopping. Right? Once again try to understand. Here is this word happening or existing now. Okay? Happening or existing without stopping, without staying, then it is being called continuous. In another word, progressive tense. In another sense we can say present progressive tense, present continuous tense is that where we find the action is being continued. Understood? The action is being continued, or the action which is happening now, it is being called continuous, progressive. The work or action or activity is on progress. Right? So let's try to know what is the word order of this tense. Okay? First of all, we should note down subject. Subject means head word, main word, about whom we discuss, about whom we talk in particular statement. Subject plus be verb. Be verb means is, am, are. Here I am only talking about present continuous. Okay? Is, am, are plus verb ing. It means ing form of the verb. It is also said to be as present participle form of the verb. Okay? Plus object or complement. Right? It is very simple, and near about more sentences are used in present progressive tense. Okay? So first of all we have to note down, we should note down subject, after that is, am, are, as per the requirement of, as per the need of subject. Okay? After that present participle form of the verb. Present participle participle. It is verb ing means present participle form of the verb. After that, object or complement. Okay. So if the subject is, we should note down as per the requirement of subject. So I am going to clarify it here. If the subject is, doer is singular, then we have to use is. I am going to note down here he, she, it. Suppose there is a boy named Ali. We have to use is, right? If the subject is I, then we should use am. If the subject is we, you, they, and more than one person, suppose Ali and Arvind. In this case, we should write down are, right? I hope all these points are clear to everyone. Now let's try to note down sentence. And one thing is more that before going to note down sentence, we must know that there are some mental status verbs. There are some mental status verbs. We should not try to add ing. We should not try to note down in the present participle form of the verb. Okay? It means do not try to add ing with some verbs. I am going to note down these verbs. Mental status verbs, right? What are these? I am going to note down. You can also note all these points in your copy. Suppose think, wish, want, remember, like, feel. Okay, forget, imagine, believe, right? Recognize. Okay, like this. By this way, in this way you can note down more words. You can find out it in books or anywhere. Think, wish, want, remember, like, feel, forget, imagine, believe, and recognize. We should not use all these kind of verbs as I am remembering, I am wanting. It's not correct. I am feeling good, I feel good. It is correct. Wish, I am wishing you happy birthday to you. It's not good. I wish you happy birthday to you, like this. I am thinking you are the good student. No, I think you are the good student. In this way we have to use. So let's try to note down sentences on the behalf of the given word order. She is writing poems on the nature. He is writing articles on different topics or issues. I am recording video, right? You are watching pre-recorded video. Understood? They are standing here for the result. They are standing here for the result. They are drafting posters on the Swachh Bharat. On the Swachh Bharat. Let's try to discuss all these sentences once again. First, I have written, she is writing poems on the nature. Here is the subject, she. Doer, main word, head word is she, because we are talking here about she, and it is considered as third person singular subject, so that I have written here is. Okay, after that there is the word writing, and its first form is write, 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 wrote, written. First form, second form, third form, and ing form is writing. Yes or es form is writes. Okay, and in the word order I have mentioned here there should be verb ing. It means present participle form of the verb. We make ing form present participle form by adding ing in the base form, in the first form, right? He is writing articles on different topics, right? As here is she, so that here is he, and it is considered under the singular subject, third person singular subject, so that I have written here is, and the first form of the verb is write, and I have included ing to make present participle form of the verb or ing form of the verb. After that there is articles on different topics. It's okay. I am recording video. It is considered, it is the first person. I have used here I am, as you know very well that we should use am with I. Here is the word record, RECORD, and I make it present participle form of the verb by adding ing. It is recording. Okay. You are watching pre-recorded video. You are watching recorded video. Then here is you, second person. As you know that we use are with you here. Watching, there is the word watch, WATCH. It is the first person. Watch, watched, watched, and ing form is watching. So I added here, included here ing for making its present participle form of the verb, right? They, third person plural subject, are standing here for the result. Here is the word stand, and for making present participle form of the verb, for making ing form of the verb, added ing, right? They are standing here for the result, and this sentence is also considered as simple present, right? Present and definite also. They are drafting posters on the Swachh Bharat. Third person plural subject, so that I have written here are drafting. There is the word draft, and for making ing from the verb, present participle form of the verb, I added here ing, so that it is written here, it is being called here as drafting posters on the Swachh Bharat. In the each sentences we are finding that each and every kind of task are on the progress. Every activity is being continued. Each action is happening now. Here let's see once again. They are drafting posters on Swachh Bharat. It means work is on progress. They are doing their work. They are busy in their task. You are watching pre-recorded video. No doubt you are doing this kind of act, this kind of action just this time, this period. So it is all these sentences are being considered under the present continuous, right? And fifth number, I just clear that they are standing here for the result. It is also considered associated with the present and definite, right? Is there any doubt regarding all these sentences? So now let's talk about negative sentence. Present continuous negative sentence. It is very simple that what we have to do in the sense of negative sentence. First of all, we should note down subject, right? After that, is, am, are, as per the need of subject, as per the requirement of subject, plus not, okay, plus VING, verb ing or present participle form of the verb. After that, there should be subject or complement, right? Okay, let's take some examples. Suppose it is not raining outside. It is not raining outside. Okay, she is not preparing for the examination. She is not preparing for the examination. they are not drawing pictures. They are not drawing pictures. You are not learning well. Like this you can note down so many sentences. It is not raining here. Here it is, this word is considered under the singular, so that I have used here is, and in the verb I added ing. Here is the prepare, I added ing to make preparing. Draw, I added ing for making present participle drawing. Learn, ing learning. All these sentences are being considered under the present continuous tense, negative sentence, right? And we added here not word after the helping word. Sorry, not word after is, am, are, and before the main verb. Right? Now let's talk about interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, right? As you know that when we make any kind of query, when we try to collect any kind of information, data, then it is being called as interrogative sentence. It is also being called as question sentence, question statement, right? As you know that interrogative sentences, there are two types. First one is yes no type, and second one is WS type. Now let's talk about yes no type. When the answer or response of any statement comes in the form of yes or no, it is said to be yes no type. When we respond of any question, any statement, or any problem in the form of yes or no, then it is being called as yes no type. Right? Let's talk about yes no type. It starts with the helping verb. First of all, we should note down is, am, are plus head word, main word as well as subject plus verb ing. Verb ing means present participle form of the verb plus object or complement plus interrogative sign, right? Question mark. We should note down, we should start with is, am, are as per the as per the requirement of subject, right? Is he Is he calling me now? Right? Is he calling me now? Here is the verb call, right? And I made it present participle form of the verb, ing form of the verb, by adding ing, right? And after seeing this sentence, it is being realized that the action is going on. I feel just now that he is not calling me, or he is calling me, so that I am asking, is he calling me now? Right? Am I doing better for you? Am I doing better for you? Here is the verb do, right? And for making present participle I added ing. It is very simple. Am I doing better for you? This sentence is also, this statement, this quote is also considered as present continuous interrogative sentence, right? Are they working in the risky industries? Right? Are they working in the risky industry? Here is the main word, head word, they, and it is considered as plural, third person plural, so that I have started here with the are. Okay, and the verb is, action is working, and the first form of this verb is work, right? Here is the remain sentence in the risky industry. Are they working in the industry? And at the last of the sentence there should be question mark, right? Don't try to miss it. I hope this is clear to you all. In case of any kind of difficulties, doubt, feel free to consult me, right? Now let's talk about WS type. Okay, as you know that when we talk about WS type of sentence, WS type of question statement, it means it starts with the WH word, when, where, what, why, whenever, like this. Okay, first of all we should note down WH word. After that is, am, are plus subject plus verb ing plus object or complement plus interrogative sign. Right? Let's note down some examples for clearing this concept. Okay, when are they doing this? When are they doing this? Right? This sentence starts with a WHO word, right? But in Hindi language, the meaning of this word will come in the midst of the statement, in the midst of the line, sentence, Okay, where are you going? Where are you going now? What are you studying now? Like this, you can add more sentences like this. Where are you going now? It means just I am asking that, it means you are about to go, you are on the progress of the action. Just I am asking that where are you going now, right? What are you studying now? It means you are studying, you are reading something, so that I am asking, so that the speaker is asking. It means the work is on the progress, action is being happening now, action is being continued, right? So I hope all of you understood very well each and every concept regarding present continuous tense. Today I explained present continuous simple sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay, in another session we will discuss more if there is anything remained. Okay, thanks for attending the class. Have a nice day.